Welcome to Positive Atheism English channel. Today I am going to present you the book Thoughts of Periyar compiled by Dr. K. Veeramani. Astrology and Hinduism. Hindus believes in all sorts of things. The deity dancing in men, the dead speaking through a medium, ghosts attacking people, causing disease or death through Billy Sunya, causing annoyance and misery through the pay of Kutti Satan or Little Devil, enticing people by mesmerism, shaping of one's life by past karma, are all strange things in which Hindu hold belief for the purpose of improving their own lives or causing trouble or death to other people's lives. The amount of time, energy and money wasted by people on these indefinite arts are immeasurable. Likewise, astrology is another art in which Hindus have firm faith and no inconsiderable time and money are expended on this account. To all intents and purpose, the result of belief in all these false or indefinite arts is suffering and more misery to the people who resort to these things. Priest classes exploitation. The astrologer, the magician, and the temple priest have always been the prime exploiters of the people's greed and superstition. The traits of these three parasites are interconnected and of mutual benefit in indicating the bad times and crisis ahead of a man. The astrologer directs the victim to a priest to perform special pujas to please the planetary gods and obviate the danger from the Shanti pujas to soften or submerge the anger of the god is the result of the astrologer prognostications. Conspirators Shanti. In addition, the victim of the astrologer will take the service of the magician to cover or controvert the displeasure of the deities. Ordinarily, the magician will also be a contrary quack. In prescribing a course of treatment to soften the graha, the quack will prepare a big list of articles to be purchased to last for a mandala of 45 days or so. If the graha to be propitiated for Shanti happens to be Shani, the course would be more rigorous and expensive. The course will cover lightening the temple premises for a mandala, reading or hearing a Purana successively for a mandala or half of it. In the name of the malevolent grahas, it will be seen that the astrologer, the magician and temple priest exploit the people and relieve them of their hard-earned incomes. In order to obviate the suspicion of self-respect, the three conspirators will take care to benefit the petty trader and street beggar or sadhu, for the Shanti course will always mean purchase of numerous things from the grocer and sometimes the feeding of the poor or the merchant. The victims are therefore encouraged to believe that they are only propitiating the gods and not feeding the conspirators. What is Jyotisha? Jyotisha is not limited to predicting the future and indicating the good and bad things to come. It goes further to indicate the measures to be taken to counter the ill effects of the planetary conjunction, as if the poor and miserable antidotes taken by man could set aside the powerful and terrible future already drawn and irrevocably set by the planets. Time of birth. This happens to be a very intriguing proposition. What exactly is the time of birth is not determined by anybody for purpose of astrology. It is when conception takes place in the womb, or is it the time when life is supposed to start in the fetus about the 5th month, or is it the 7th, 8th, 9th or 10th month when birth takes place? Is it the time when the head shows first, or the time the child completely leaves the mother's body? Is it the time when the midwife hastened the birth by her manipulation? Or is it the time when the doctor takes out the child unnaturally by a caesarean operation? The general opinions seem to be the time when the child finally leaves the body of the mother, and for our further discussion we shall adopt this as the time of birth. Thank you.
Please download Samaram multi-channel app and watch your favorite channels from your mobile. App available on Google Play Store and subscribe to the channels. For more videos, please subscribe to this channel Positive Atheism and activate the bell icon.